Hi folks, it's Moz here, and today we're going to talk about what you can do if one of the paints comes from Airfix and it's unusable. So I received from Airfix their new gift set, which is the Then and Now Spitfire and Lightning gift set. And in there comes 8 paints, 2 brushes and this cement. But one of the paints was unusable, which was this one here, 106. And as you can see, it's just gone terrible. There's not a lot I can really do with this. You can pick it up with the brush and it's just gone to like this paste. It's no good. So there is an option for you, and I thought I'll go through the process because I've actually done it. I wrote an email saying, "Hi there, I found this paint in my gift set sadly unusable. Please can you send me a replacement pot please? I have attached pictures of the offending paint pot, batch number and screenshot of my order." And so I put a picture up of the offending paint, a screenshot of my order, and also a picture of the batch number. You're going to need the batch number, which you will find on every Airfix kit. So here you can see there is the batch number there, and if you take a screenshot of that or write that down, I personally take a screenshot just to prove that I do have the kit, and send that off to them. And they responded, "Dear Moz, good afternoon and thank you for your email. Apologies for your problem with our product and we will send out replacement paints today. Thank you and all the best, Airfix Bears team." The email address you need is technicalservices.uk@airfix.com. That's the email address you need to send the information that they require, and they do send out the correct pot of paint, and here it is. And that is absolutely perfect. That is absolutely solid. That's gonna, with a little bit of water just to thin it down a bit, do 2 or 3 coats, that's gonna do a really good job on your model. Now you can see that these are the old pots. Can you see that? And sometimes they're hit and miss, sometimes they get there and they're fine. These paints are generally just fine. But I believe this new style is coming out, and as you can see here, there's basically the pots of paint, and it looks like they're going to be even better. Hopefully they'll last a lot longer. But they are working hard on the problem, they keep telling me this, and hopefully we'll be getting pots with paint that looks like this. So if you do have a problem next time, you find that the paint is unusable and there's no way you're going to be able to water it down and get it to a place where you can paint it correctly, then that is the option. technicalservices.uk@airfix.com. Just send them an email, make sure you give them that batch code. If you've not bought it from the Airfix website, just let them know where you bought it from, whether it's Aldi, Lidl, your local model shop, Jadlam. There's loads of model shops out there, E-Models for instance. As long as you've got some proof of purchase and that batch number, they will send you out a pot of paint absolutely free of charge. There is no cost. They just want you to get the product in the best possible condition. And that's the video, just to explain how to get yourself a replacement pot of paint. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, select all, and you'll be notified when I release a new video. Any questions, any comments, leave them in the box below because I do reply. And a huge thank you and shout out to the channel members who help me financially with this channel. If you'd like to become a channel member, click join below and select which option you want. If you've not seen my last video, click here. If you want to see a playlist of my other videos, click here.